I'm curious, what was your experience during the workshop?
I thought it was very, very insightful, and I liked the practical side of where you get to use what you kind of gave an overview of, and then you do the practical part. I think it really honed in the methodology that you were promoting, and it definitely makes sense. My co-founder and I are doing an app at the moment, so we definitely feel like this is something that we can utilize in terms of scrutinizing some of our ideas that we have and really delving into what people actually want, because sometimes you can get a bit too involved into your own idea. So I feel like using a methodology like this will help us really make practical decisions about what actually people want. So I thought it was absolutely fantastic.
Okay, thank you very much.
It was an eye-opener for me, to be honest, this model. I didn't know this specific model, so I definitely want to read a bit more about the model after you explained it. I think for groups, say, to see the effectiveness of what's in an app, all the futures, etc., and the way you work this through, yeah, it was very interesting. So I really want to hear more about it.
Thank you very much. It was very insightful.